Have you ever wondered how some Scrum teams can deliver high-quality products faster and more efficiently than others? What are the secrets of their success? How do they overcome the common challenges and pitfalls of Scrum implementation? If you want to learn the answers to these questions and more, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most advanced Scrum techniques that you can use to take your Scrum mastery to the next level. These techniques are based on real-life case studies and best practices from the Scrum community. So, stay tuned and don't miss this opportunity to learn from the experts. Before we move forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's start with first technique. Use a Scrum Master skill assessment to identify your strengths and areas for improvement as a Scrum Master. This is a tool that you can use to evaluate your current level of Scrum mastery and determine what skills you need to develop further. You can find a free Scrum Master assessment test on our website. Link is in the description below. The next technique is to use different formats for retrospectives. A retrospective is a Scrum event where the team inspects their work and process and identifies actions for improvement. It is a key opportunity for learning and adaptation. However, retrospectives can become boring and repetitive if you always use the same format or structure. To keep your retrospectives fresh and engaging, you can try different formats, such as the Starfish format, where you ask the team to categorize their feedback into 5 areas: start, stop, continue, more, and less. The Sailboat format, where you ask the team to imagine their project as a sailboat and identify the wind, means what pushes them forward. The Anchor means what holds them back. The Rocks means what risks they face. And the Island, what their goal is. The Mad, Sad, Glad format, where you ask the team to express their emotions about the sprint using 3 categories. Mad, what made them angry. Sad, what made them sad. And glad, what made them happy. The third technique is use advanced Scrum Master tools to support the product owner and the development team. As a Scrum Master, you have a key role in helping the product owner and the development team to do their best work. Some of the tools that you can use to do this are the Product Vision Board. This is a tool that helps the product owner to define and communicate the vision, goals, and value proposition of the product. The User Story Mapping. This is a tool that helps the product owner and the development team to create and prioritize the product backlog items based on the user journey and the desired outcomes. The Definition of Done. This is a tool that helps the development team to ensure that the product increment meets the quality standards and the expectations of the stakeholders. Next technique is use different stances and styles as a Scrum Master depending on the situation and the needs of the team. As a Scrum Master, you have to adapt your approach and behavior to the context and the maturity of the team. Some of the stances and styles that you can use are the Servant Leader stance, where you empower and enable your team to self-organize and deliver value. The Coach stance, where you help your team and the organization improve their performance and adopt agile principles and practices. The Teacher stance, where you educate and mentor your team and the organization on Scrum and Agile concepts and practices. The Impediment Remover stance, where you identify and remove any obstacles or issues that hinder your team's progress and success. The Facilitator stance, where you ensure that the Scrum events are effective and productive, and that the team has the necessary tools and resources to collaborate and communicate. Last but not the least technique is, use real-life case studies and examples to learn from the experiences of other Scrum teams and organizations. One of the best ways to improve your Scrum skills and knowledge is to learn from the successes and failures of others. You can find many Scrum case studies and examples online, where you can see how Scrum is applied in different industries and contexts. You can find Spotify detailed case study of Spotify on our channel. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll try to answer.